Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can start your dropshipping journey through this absolutely immaculate and amazing e-commerce software. So to start things off, we're going to come over to shopify.com. And once you're into shopify.com, we're going to create an account with it. So to create an account with it, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click on Start Free Trial, and it's going to take you into the store creation. Now, once you go into the store creation, it's going to tell you to get started, and it's going to ask you a few questions where it's going to say, which of these best describes you. You could go with I'm just starting, I'm already selling online or in person. I'm going to go with I'm just starting and click on next. Then it says, where would you like to sell? I'm going to click an online store and click on next. And it says, what do you plan to sell first? I'm going to go with dropshipping products and click on next. Once we do that, it says, where will your business be located? You're obviously going to add in your business location. So in my case, it's Pakistan, and you can go ahead and add, whatever location you have. And once you do that, it's going to bring you here where it's going to ask you to sign up with these different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up with email. And I'm simply going to go ahead and add an email for myself and sign in with that. So I'm going to go ahead and be using a temp mail for now. You don't necessarily need to follow this step. You can simply go ahead and use any other email that you have. But I'm going to go with this, okay? And once we're over here, let me show you what to do from here. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to be adding your password in this section. And once you add your password, you're simply going to click on Create Shopify Account. Now, once you're creating your Shopify account, it's going to ask you for your password again. So you're going to make sure to reconfirm it and reassure it. And once you reassure your password, what's going to happen from there is it's going to directly log you in. So when it logs you in, let me show you what the interface looks like. So once you come over here, it starts loading and the screen starts loading. And what happens from there is it's going to bring you to building your store. So once it brings you to building your store, what's going to happen from there is you are going to be taken into this section, which is basically your basic dashboard. Okay. Now, once you're in your dashboard, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading some application, which will basically allow you to, start your drop shipping. So in my opinion, I would always suggest users to go with some application like CJ Dropshipping or maybe Spocket or Deezers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding CJ Dropshipping for myself. So for that, we're going to click on Add Apps and we're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on your Shopify App Store, it's going to basically load things in and it's going to bring you here. Now, once you are over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to search up CJ. Just search up CJ. You can write dropshipping if you want to, but I'm just simply going to search up CJ. Once you search up CJ, it's going to bring you here where it says CJ Dropshipping much faster. Now, once you go here, you're going to click on Open App. And once you click on Open App, from there, it's going to start authorizing things where it's going to bring you here. It's going to ask you to agree the terms. We're going to click on login and authorize. If you have an account, you're going to do that. Or if you don't, you're simply going to go ahead and sign up. Sign up process is pretty simple. You're going to add an email. Then you are going to go ahead and add a password for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly add a password. I'm going to confirm this password as well real quick. There we go. And once you do that, you're going to agree to their terms and click on next. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for a username. Just add anything random, to be honest. Then you're going to add your name. You're going to add your phone number. And once you do that, you're going to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it's going to start loading you in. And once it starts loading you in, it brings you here to a user questionnaire where it says, which platform are you running your store on now, which is obviously Shopify. I'm going to choose how many orders I process and what categories do I work in. And once we do that, we're going to submit things and it's going to load us here where it says authorization is now a success. So once your authorization is a success, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead into your store over here. And from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to the main CJ dashboard where we are going to start accessing all the dropshipping products. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see all these things, different products to work with, different products to choose from, and, really fun stuff that you can add for your design. So it's all these things that are going to allow you to start working with your dropshipping maneuvers. So once we're over here, let's say I'm going to go ahead with a few products like this. Let's go with a Night Galaxy projector. Once we go with that, you're going to go with this, okay? It's a DIY stainless steel flask. And then let's go with some heated men's puffer jackets. So I'm going to load all three of these in. And once we load all 3 of these in, we're going to scroll down here. And as you scroll down, it's going to, take you into loading. So I'm just going to wait for it to do that. And once it's loaded in, what you're going to do from here is you're simply going to click on list. And once you click on list, it's going to bring you here. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and enter your store name. You're going to tell them where it's shipped from, where it's shipped to. And once all of that is done, you're pretty much good to go. So you're just going to wait for it to, process your authorization. And that's pretty much about it. So once your authorization is processed, as I stated, you're simply going to click on list. And once you click on list, it's going to ask you to enter your store name. Now, in the case that it says that no data is entered on your store, you're simply going to go ahead and click on My CJ. And once you click on My CJ, it's going to take you into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Now, once you go into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard over there, it's going to load you into this section. And once you're loaded into this section, what's going to happen is you're going to scroll down where it says store authorization. You're going to click on this and you're going to click on Shopify. And once you click on Shopify, it's going to open things up over here. And as you can see, my store is properly integrated. So now it's going to tell me that my store is good to go. So once you have chosen your store, I'm just going to get out of this. And now we're going to click on list once more. And once everything is done, I'm going to add my recommended listing pricings. And once all of that is done, you're going to select the store to ship to, the place where the orders are essentially going to go. And once all of that is done, you're going to start drop shipping your products. And once you drop ship your products, all those will appear in your product section over here. So let me show you what the outlook of these will look like. So again, once this loads up, it's going to verify that your store has been properly authorized. And once your store is authorized, simply as I stated, you're going to click on list. I'm going to give you all of this. Make sure that your store's data is properly entered. Once your store data is entered, you're going to add in the shipping information. Click on recommend listing prices. You're going to click on listed now. And once you click on listed now, from there, it's going to bring you here to your Shopify store where it's going to start adding all of the products that you are working with. It's going to add all of your necessary products and you're basically going to be good to go. So that's pretty much about it. Now, once that is done, what's going to happen from there is you simply go ahead and use your products, add it to your stores. And once you add it to your stores, you're going to start getting your orders from different places. And once you get your orders from there, you're going to go ahead and, simply start drop shipping. And the thing is that the orders that you get are going to be seen over here. So once your orders are done, they're going to be seen in, orders over here. You can fulfill your orders, adding different inventories, you're pretty much good to go.
I want you, first thing that you want to do is to go and click on the upper left corner. You see the small live icon. Click on live and let's scroll through the businesses. As you can see over here, now people are using their regular daily lifestyle to make a lot of money on TikTok. For example, what you usually do every single day, you can simply live stream it and give tips, give your opinions, give your expectations and predictions, and simply make money. You don't have to set aside a particular day or time of your day to make a specific video and then publish it. You see, somebody anyway will be sitting at home trading stocks, looking at the charts, and they will be getting a lot of tips. They will be making a lot of money over here. As you can see, there are a lot of people engaged, 18,000 likes on this particular live stream. Just think about this. Somebody else is doing the exact same thing. So this is another validation that this obviously works. Think about it. Who will be losing their time live streaming if things are not working, if they don't make money, right? There's no point of it. If you scroll down, there are other people who are simply, live streaming the news. Imagine how amazing this is. So there are people at home who, probably retired or, they don't work. And they will be sitting at home watching TV. But instead of that, they will be home and watching somebody live streaming this. Probably they're adding some comments. They're giving different points of view. They're highlighting stuff that are not, obvious. This is what I'm trying to tell you guys. All you gotta do is you gotta utilize your daily activities. Anyway, you will be waking up. Anyway, you will be scrolling through the news. Anyway, you will be trying to capitalize on the actual news or content. Why wouldn't you simply make money throughout the process by simply live streaming the process. This is what I want to highlight, guys. Nobody talks about this, okay? People are just talking about brand deals, drop shipping, stuff that they might suit work, but they're oversaturated. So what you see over here is like, somebody just, they will be practicing playing the piano or playing the guitar, and they will be doing a live stream, and people will be enjoying, sending tips, probably asking questions. This is the path if you really want to sell your own educational program, because now you live stream every day, people see that you're actually doing stuff, the business, and they can actually trust you and buy the whole program or course from you. This is how you're going to be making a lot of money in 2024, guys. Then you want to click on the lower right corner where it says your profile. You click on your profile, and then you want to head to the top and click on the 3 straight lines. Then you want to head towards settings and privacy, the last option. Now you want to slowly scroll down to the display section over here. You want to click on display, and here you can manually set the switch between light and dark mode. You can also use the device manual settings. For example, if I go back to the light mode and then simply click on use device settings, I will get match of my original theme on my phone. I'm using an iPhone, and as you saw, I'm using a dark theme simply because the app TikTok match my device settings. This is very important and very useful, considering that if you are using a dark theme, you probably don't want to use the brighter theme or white theme or light theme on any of the other platforms, because switching from dark to bright, it's not good for your eyes, right? It might be irritating, it might be creating a particular irritation. So I presume that this is something that will help you as well. It helped me a lot, having all the theme, all the dark modes, all aligned. So every time when I'm switching from Instagram to Facebook to TikTok to LinkedIn, everything is a dark mode, so it's much easier for the eye to simply adjust with the light and with the contrast. Go on your profile and then click on the upper right side where you see the 3 straight lines. We are going to go on settings and privacy. And then, guys, I want you to scroll down to the section content and display. Here, I want you to click on content preferences. In this section over here, the second option is stem feed. When you click on it, you have the option to turn this on and turn this off. This feed simply allows you to, from time to time, learn something new that is not the usual hype or the usual trending videos. It's very good, it's very interesting, especially if you have to kill a lot of time and there's nothing to do. You can pop up and learn something about science, technology, engineering, and math. If we go back over here after we turn this on, we can simply go and see that the stem, it's right over here, and we have it back. There are more things that are popping up with the recent updates, as you can see over here. Now the shop appears as well on the upper settings menu. And you want to make sure that you copy your actual username. Currently it's copied. Then you gotta go back on Facebook. You want to click on the lower right corner where is your profile picture. When you click on your profile picture, you're gonna be sent to your account. When you're on your account, you will see that you have the 3 dots option as a button on the menu. You click on it, and then you want to click on edit. When you click on edit, you want to scroll all the way down to the last section, which is links. You want to click edit your about you section, and you want to edit more links. The first option is that you are actually able to add social links. This is the place where it says username. You simply paste the link that you copy, or your username that you copy from TikTok. After that, all you gotta do is to save the changes all on the way up. For example, there is a save on the top right corner, and then you can go back up, and this will appear in your bio alongside any other social media account that you linked with. Remember, you have to copy the exact username that you have, and you have to save the changes. Let's find the video that we want to repost. For example, let's repost this video over here. You want to click on the arrow over here, and then you see you have 3 different slides of menus. All you want to do is you want to focus on the middle slide over here, and you want to click on the first icon, the yellow one, which says repost. When you click repost, guess what? I just repost the video. Now you probably wonder what actually happened. Let's go back to our account and see what actually happened. If you refresh your TikTok account, right, you're not gonna find the video over here. Your video will be located in the third menu on the middle of the screen. If you can see, you have filtered by your most popular and recent videos, right? Latest and popular. Then you have a stories archive. And the third option will be reposted content. This is where you're going to find this video over here. And this is how you actually repost videos or content on TikTok and where to find the reposted content. Let's say, for example, we want to send a message to, I don't know, Alex Hermosi. Okay, you click on the profile, and when you're at the profile, you have the option, if they allow you to send a message, you click message to the person. And there you have it. That's the legitimate account of Alex Hermosi. You can see 795,000 followers. You can send whatever message you like to. And the slim part over here, you want to make sure that your messages are very, very good, informative, and straight to the point, because you only can send up to 3 messages until he accepts your first message. In other words, if you say hi and then wait for reply, he doesn't reply, then you say, I hope you're doing well, and then he doesn't reply, and then you have one more message, and it could be, I'm not sure you saw my previous 2 messages, and you're done. So this is why you can probably skip the welcoming part and the etiquette, and you just jump straight to the point. Hey Alex, for example, I want the. Another pro tip over here would be to write 2 very long messages probably, and then if he doesn't reply, then you still have the option to poke him again. Things happen. You might end up messaging him in the busiest day of his life, right? And you simply are out of luck. So this is why you always want to keep one additional chance to send a quick poke message to let him know he can go back and read the 2 other messages. You want to scroll through your feed. Let's say we want to download this video, right? You want to click on the arrow over here under the comment section. You get 3 menus popping out. You see 1, 2, 3. You want to click on the second one over here, and you want to click on the blue icon, copy link. Okay, then I want you to head on Google Chrome, and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called Snaptik. Snaptik will offer you downloading videos for free without watermark. You want to click on Snaptik. You want to hit this search box, right? And I want you to paste the link that we just copied. Then I want to hit paste. Then you click download. As you can see, the app processed very fast the actual video, and you have 2 options over here to download in different qualities. I just want to give you a quick heads up. Be very careful where you're clicking, okay? Make sure that you click on the right button over here. But this is how you download for free videos from TikTok without watermark.
Let's say I'm going to go on GitHub, okay? And I'm going to search up Maze C++. Let's just search that up. And I'm going to write Maze C++. And once you write that, look at this. You can start getting maze generators. Let's say we have this maze generator and this person created it in the C++, right? We're going to go in this. So it's a recursive backtracker maze generator. And this person has, explained it. So this is the maze generator. You're going to write that, and look at that. It's going to generate a whole maze that you can work in. You can walk through it. You get the dependency. You get the compiling. It gives you the whole code over here as well with the files. So, you can actually get the whole code by copying it and installing it. You can go to the actual file to get the code for yourself as well. And that is what GitHub mainly is for. So upload code, get code, and just talk with other people regarding coding. And that is basically about it. So that's GitHub. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Trello tutorial, how to use Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can use Trello for yourself in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So to do this, what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to come to Trello.com, create an account. Now, to use Trello, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Create, and you can actually create a board. So you're going to click on Create a Board, and once you click on Create a Board, you're going to enter any board title for yourself and get that board up and running. Now, once you get that board up and running, so let's say I've created this board for myself, right? I'm going to go straight into this board. It's going to look somewhat like this, okay? Now, how do you add things in this? So to add components, first of all, you're going to click on list, and look at that. You can add lists for yourself. So, it's pretty easy to add lists. Then in the lists, you can add cards and just keep on adding more cards. And to edit those cards, you're going to click on them, and you can change their descriptions, you can change their activity statuses, and you can change every other aspect of it, like members, labels, checklist, dates, attachment, cover, custom fields, dependency estimation, and all these things. Pretty straightforward and pretty easy stuff to get your head around, and that is how you're going to use Trello. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. MailChimp tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about MailChimp and how you can use this absolutely incredible software, okay? So to start off with MailChimp, what you are going to want to be doing is, obviously, you're going to, sign up with an account. Now, what is MailChimp used for? MailChimp, in my opinion, is best for any type of email marketing that you want to, do for yourself. It's great for any type of, sales CRM. It's great for lead generation. It's good for your sales. It's good for getting your company up and running. And the best part about this is that it actually has a free platform to sign in with. So you can sign up with it pretty easily. Okay, just go into sign up for free. Now, once you go into sign up for free, it takes you into the actual sign up gig where, add your very own business email that you want to sign up with MailChimp. Let's say I'm going to add that. Then you have, your username, and then you can add your very own password as well. Okay. After adding your password, you're going to verify everything. And once you verify everything, from there, it's going to take you into the actual, you could say, work ethic and work section of MailChimp. And that's basically how you're going to get started with it. Now, when it comes to using MailChimp, you are going to want to make sure to get a hold of a lot of, you could say, generative assistance. You can convert with email automations, create faster with generative AI, refine with segmentation, optimize with analytical things and support. You can get started easily with a personalized product tour. Okay, they give you a proper product tour, and you can see you can create actual custom journeys with automations. You can discover new ways to automate for yourself, keep your email relevant and brand growing. And the thing is that the campaigning gives you a lot of great templates to work with, which is also pretty incredible. And you can add as many leads as you want, get as many contacts, as many customers, and as many users you want in this. Okay. And that gives you a really good general idea of how you're going to work with this. That's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye. Miro tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Miro and how you can use this absolutely incredible software for yourself, okay? So Miro is basically, as it says, a visual workspace for innovation. So Miro allows you to create these different charts. It allows you to create these different types of boards, okay? And in those boards, you can use different elements like shapes, sticky notes, and all these other things to create a good workspace. And you can also use different boards like Kanban boards and all. And the best part about this is that you can make a whole funnel, a sales flow, and like a whole lot of other things to work with. So I would definitely urge users out there to use this software because it's absolutely incredible to get a good idea of this. And it has a lot of integrations to work with as well. So definitely go ahead with this. And I'm also going to discuss the pricings. Now, Miro also gives you things like product management, engineering. It's for IT teams, UX and design, consultation and agencies. And there's a lot of great technical diagramming, whiteboarding, wireframing, mind mapping, retrospectives, scale product planning, and process mapping. So there's a lot of great things to take from Miro. And definitely, all of you users out there should use this for yourself. It's the amazing and the most greatest thing to get for yourself. Then you have 4 plans for this as well. You have free, starter, business, enterprise. Okay, so the free plan is $0, starter plan is $8, business plan is $16, and enterprise plan is obviously the basic typical enterprise plan. Okay, and yeah, that's the general idea that you need to get when you're working with something like this. And that is basically your Miro. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Slack tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about Slack and how you can use this absolutely amazing application for yourself to, do your actual workspace editing in, to manage your products, manage your tasks, and keep your team up and running. So this is Slack basically, okay? So in Slack, you're going to make a workspace. So as you can see, I'm in this workspace right now. Now in this workspace, we have channels. Okay, you create channels for yourself, and you can create more channels by clicking on create a channel and, add any type of channel you want to. And if you want any assistance, you can do that as well. But as you can see, I have all these channels. So links, team chat, you have work and all these things. So let's say in team chat, I want to, I'm going to write something like, hi guys. And then you can actually, do an at and, message everyone. So it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. And it's really nice to get a basic idea of how you're going to work with Slack. So just create channels, and in those channels, you're going to start working. Now, if you want to invite people to your workspace, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go to your workspace over here. Now, whoever has control of the workspace, what you can do is you can start adding people into a certain chat. So you're going to click on add coworkers, enter their name or email, and just send them an invite, and that should be it. So that's basically the idea of Slack. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Smartsheet tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet and how you can use this absolutely incredible software. Okay, so Smartsheet is basically a flexible solution for your work. Now, it's very similar to products like ClickUp, Monday.com, Asana, Trello. Now, the reason for that is that it's great for your work management, okay? It's a great management platform. It's great for task management, great for project management. Even if you want to, manage your personal life, it's good for that because it gives you things like automations, digital assets, resource, team collab, dashboards, portfolio, proofing, account, intelligent workflows, integration, no-code work apps, and a whole lot more. So it gives you a whole repertoire to work with. It gives you the whole, you could say working standard to get your head around, and it helps you a lot in working. So do make sure to get your head wrapped around this pretty well because it's an absolutely amazing software to use. And I would urge all you users out there to get a good grasp of this, to get a good idea of this, because like products like Smartsheet will help you tons. Okay. So that's pretty much the main idea about Smartsheet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. Reich tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about Reich and how you can use this platform for yourself. It's one platform to streamline all workflows for you, a single app for all departments. You can manage projects, organize work, integrate all your favorite tools, and collaborate and drive efficiency for yourself. So Reich is your, team dashboard or team planning statement where you can actually mess around with different components of your work, okay? And you can actually use Reich in different ways. So if you've used, stuff like Monday.com, or you've used Asana, or you've used ClickUp, then Reich will also work greatly for you. And trust me, Reich works great. It has automation, it has Gantt charts, project resource planning, and it has a great visualized dashboard where you can get tasks, processors, and a lot more. So you can see that you can get your analytics in this section as well. And these are all the organizations that use Reich. So there's P&G, Sega, Lyft, Siemens, Pfizer, Ogilvy, T-Mobile. So, you have a lot of features and brands using these. Then you can auto-organize your intake, custom build for your teams, gain big pictures, visibility, customer success stories. You get Aerotech, Fitbit, Inspiration. All these people use it. And it has great reviews as well. So it's great to start off with it. It's great to use, and you can actually see why Reich. So it has great marketing, professional services, PMO, creative design, also has a great CMS You get task management, workflow management, and the best thing, project management, where you can plan agile products. Now, planning projects for yourself is a different way to work as well, because you are going to want to make sure that the management works incredibly and the management works normally when you're actually getting the basic concept and basic idea of this, okay? So that's pretty much about it when it comes to Reich. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.